Hi guys, my name is Ty Quarles with All Runners Wedding Consulting Services. It is wedding weekend and we are so excited to be at the beautiful Bell Tower on 34th. We want to give you a behind the scenes look on what it's like to plan a wedding. Follow me. All my timers. Okay. Yes, nice to meet you. Yes, nice to meet you as well. Awesome. Righty. Hello. How are y'all? Good. How are you?
Doing good. How about you?
Good. What's your name?
Micah.
I've seen your name a million times. I'm Ty. Nice to meet you. And this is Jordan. And Alex. Jasmine, I'm Ty. Yes, nice to meet you.
Jasmine.
So Jasmine,
Yeah.
we have 2 sign-ins. All right, so we're waiting on a few more people. A lot of the wedding party is here, but the biggest thing I need to do is get them lined up. Hello, how are y'all? Hello, beautiful. How are you?
Good.
You excited?
I'm so excited. I'm like a nervous wreck though. I don't know why I'm nervous.
Really?
I don't know. I'm like, why
I mean, it's
can
normal.
I shake my nerves off?
It's normal.
And I'm like, whoo.
No, it's normal, but you've got a lot that's going to be going on.
Yeah.
But we're going to move you through.
I'm gonna move it. I
Okay.
got my nails done. My nails done.
I love it. I love it. Hi, Sonoma. Nice to meet you. I'm Ty.
I love how organized you are.
Thank you.
That's why I was like, yes, I love it.
All right, y'all ready?
Ready.
Okay. All right, can I get everyone's attention? Woo. First question, who is excited about tomorrow? My name is Ty Quarles. I'm the person that has been harassing you for the last couple of months, so thank you for putting up with my obsessive compulsiveness. So thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. So we're going to try to make it as short as we possibly can because we want y'all to get out and get to dinner in time. But there are a lot of people. And we got to position y'all just right because we want y'all to come in tomorrow. We want y'all to be comfortable. We want y'all to, especially ladies with heels on, because we've got to fill up, we're pretty much going to fill up this whole stage. I want to ask the bridesmaids and the groomsmen, all of you guys to stand up and come on up front. And when you come up front, if y'all can stand in order of height. What's your name, honey?
Janor.
Okay. I just can't hear you. How are you?
I am good.
Good. Okay, who did y'all say was missing? Somebody just said Courtney. Where do y'all want Courtney to go?
She's back there.
Who did she say? Courtney is between y'all two?
You guys have chills on?
Okay, Craig, what's Jonathan?
Yes, ma'am.
Jordan? I almost had it.
Yeah. I was waiting on you to have it.
I was like, I never met you. I was like,
Isaiah,
how are you, Isaiah? Nice to meet you. Good. All right, guys. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to tell you who your pair is. If you can stand over there with them for a second. Oh, they're moved. And then could we have 4 just uncovered chairs in the corner? I mean, I'm sorry, 5 chairs.
DVC?
Uh-huh.
Oh, they
and then
fixed
she's
them,
sitting
huh?
with them too. Yeah.
Okay, so 5?
5.
Okay.
The quartet and myself.
Yep. Okay, what's next?
Okay, so we were discussing the shot list.
So, okay, what's after that?
Then at 6:30, I'm moving out to the Candlelit Fountain
Okay.
for guests to come into the ballroom.
Correct. So that was the door that I was talking about where you, so once you cue them, that's why I was saying come back through here, go to the front and make a right, and then come in the Carillion Ballroom to help people find their seats. All right, so we're in here helping guests to get seated. This is Royal Table. I think this is 1. The name card, the place cards are on here, but if they don't remember, so I give you a couple of lists. This is by their name, so if you know their name. So this is like the money shot of wedding planners, is a carefully posed. We originally had these centered on the dance floor. Can we not move that over, or would that be a problem?
This one.
Just this one and that one. Is that going to be a problem with the bar right here? Okay. Cool. Yep. That makes me happy. All right. Your chariot awaits.
Hey, son.
So you might want to come closer this way.
Come this way? Okay.
And then he's going to back up.
Okay.
Don't look this way.
Don't look.
Okay, you ready? Bye. All right, you're going to back up and then pull back. Okay, guys, so everybody out of the way except Jeremy. We're going to bring Jeremy down. Okay, so come here.
Oh, right. No car.
Okay, I love this. They're like, which way? He yelled, "Let's go!" Oh, all right. All right, I enjoyed that for a moment. Now back. Okay, now what were you saying to me? What's your name?
Jasmine.
Hi, Jasmine. How are you? So you're one of our hostesses?
Yes.
Okay, so if you can hold tight for a few minutes and I'll grab you. Okay. Hi. Hi, for Davisi?
Yeah, Davisi.
How are you? Nice to meet
I know
you.
you're so busy. If you have a couple minutes sometime, I'd love to just go over this.
Okay, so let me show you something. Madison, are you in here? Okay.
I took the bridesmaids back up.
Sure. Okay, cool. This is, tell me your name one more time.
Natalie.
Natalie with Davisi. So let's go sit with her. So are you sitting right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Or
what
I
cue?
can sit wherever.
Do you want to sit there so you can see her giving you the cue? You want to sit on that side?
Or do you need to see like?
No, we're on phones. She's going to be following along with the schedule.
Yeah.
So she knows when the last person has come through. So
Yeah.
she will tap you and tell you, or whatever signals y'all do for each
Okay,
other.
perfect.
Okay, so I'll let y'all handle it.
good.
Huh?
Seating's good.
Okay. Did you move? Are they still? Is the mom still in the front row?
Yeah.
Okay. So when people come in with gifts, you're going to take them and put them. They can put cards and stuff in there.
Okay.
So when you stand at the door, hand them ceremony programs and tell them they can sign in at either sign-in table. So just come back here, and when you come back here, I'll tell y'all when to go in. Okay.
And you just walk in, go to
Just walk in and go to your seat. Tina, nice to meet you. I have a pin for you. I've got to put a flower on you. Give me 1 second. Hey, baby. So let me show you. Did you get that email from me last night?
I got the email with the list of who I'm walking with.
On the front row, those are where y'all sit.
Okay.
Okay? And it's got labels on them.
Okay, and then when we walk out, are we coming back up these stairs with them?
So you guys stay put because you're already sitting down. So that's bride side, groom side, and then that's the yellow that's the far left. Okay, so just ask them bride side or groom side, check real quick, ask them what their name is. If their name's on the list, just sit them anywhere. So you can seat people, don't walk, well, they're walking down the center of the aisle now, but anybody that's late, try to take them around and try to fill up the seats from the right end or the outside end. So if late guests come, they could just sit on the ends. Okay? All right, thank you. Okay.
It's this way.
Come this way, because otherwise your guests are going to see you.
We have to go the back way so they don't see you.
Okay. Okay. All right. If everybody else, if you're in the wedding party and you're coming down for the recessional, I need y'all to go back into the chapel. Okay? Thank you.
What time does this party start again?
5:30.
Oh,
what time is it?
5:25, baby.
All right.
Game time. Game time. Game time. We locked in, baby.
Everyone, if you're not in the processional, we're going to ask everybody to go in, please. Thank you. All right, Madison. Madison. Okay, tell them we're ready to go. You look good. Hold on, let's let the song kick in a little bit. I would like for you guys to take a picture of my orthopedic shoes and my compression socks.
Oh, I saw
This is the glamorous life of a wedding planner. Compression socks, and I don't know what you call these orthopedic granny shoes, but they're a lifesaver.
How was the wedding today? What do you think about the whole wedding in general?
I thought it went well, and I think they were happy, so that's the key.
Now
So,
you get to relax a little bit and take
Yeah.
a load off, and then
yeah,
basically just pack up.
that's it.
On to the next.
On to the next one. Bye.